Welcome to all on City System in today's session 3 of inverse trigonometric functions. Number of questions will be discussed to clear the concept in a much better way. Applicable for CBSE board, state board, this, right? Using the principal values, evaluate cos of inverse cos by sine of inverse sine is. Cos of inverse cos theta will be theta, sine of inverse sine theta will be theta, provided this belongs to this one and cos this belongs to this one. Check it here. In this case, cos of inverse 0 to pi, this is between 0 to pi, okay. This can be written as 2 pi by 3 plus sine of sine pi by 3. This is not between pi by 2 and pi by 2, right? Right, so how to do it? To do it, we have to reduce this into this form first. So sine of inverse sine pi minus pi by 3. If you go back, we get 2 pi by 3. So sine of inverse sine 180 minus theta is sine theta quadrant second, right? So this will be equal to pi by 3. The answer will be pi by 3. So overall answer will be 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 3. That is pi. C is the correct answer. I have given the table here. You can go through it. Domain of all the inverse trigonometric functions, principal value. Sine of inverse x will be x, provided this condition is set. Similarly, for all, you have to go through it very carefully, right? Next question. The domain of the function is, so this is this, and this is. You have to pick up one of the correct answer out of these two. Sec of inverse x. Sec inverse x में देखिएगा क्या आंसर है? Sec of inverse x. R minus minus 1. R minus minus 1. Domain is R minus minus 1 minus R minus minus 1. This is minus plus 1. It means 1. This is minus 1, 1. This joint from this end. This portion is not to be considered. Or you can say, write it x greater than equal to 1 or x less than equal to minus 1. This is the domain of sec of inverse x. As we know, x less than 1, x greater than equal to 1 or x less than equal to minus 1. So 2x will be greater than equal to, this is, in this case, this will be 2x. Then x will be less than 2 or x less than minus 1 by 2. So this is the correct answer. This is for 2x. x के लिए क्या बनेगा? 1 by 2 हो जाएगा. Range. Sec of inverse. Range is this one. Right? Check. 0 to pi नहीं है. So answer is not correct. So this is the wrong answer. This is wrong. This is correct. Now check. Which will be the correct answer? A is true, B is false. C is the correct answer. Now, I have discussed all the basic concepts. What is the domain? What is the range? Right? You can go through it very well. Next question. Express sin x plus. Sine of alpha plus beta, sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. We can write sine of inverse 1 by root 2 sin x plus 1 by root 2 cos x. We can write it very well. Now, we have to reduce this into sin. तो sin जो है cos आना चाहिए. Sin of inverse cos alpha sin x plus sin alpha cos x. Means alpha is here pi by 4. Alpha is here pi by 4, right? This can be written as sin of inverse sin x plus pi by 4. We can write equal to x plus pi by 4, yes or no, to check. Given हमें क्वेश्चन की रिक्वायरमेंट है, दिस इज गिवन टू adding x plus pi by 4. So this will equal to pi by 4 plus pi by 4, and this will equal to minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So x plus pi by 4, pi by 2, and this comes out to be 0. This is in between principal value branch. So we can write it. What is the principal value branch? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this is correct one. So we can write this right. So answer of this will be same. Next question is, prove that cos of tan of inverse, sin of cot of inverse, this, right? Now, let cot of inverse x equal to theta, x equal to cot theta. Now, theta base upon perpendicular, x upon 1 under root 1 plus x square. So cos of tan of inverse, पहले लिखा sin theta, cos of tan of inverse sin theta क्या आएगा? In this case sin theta will be 1 over under 1 plus x square, 1 over 1 plus x square, right? Let this is beta, so this is beta, tan inverse theta is beta, this under root 1 plus x square, this will become 2 plus x square by Pythagoras theorem. Cos of beta, from this cos of beta will be equal to this upon this under root 1 plus x square upon under root 2 plus x square. This you have to prove, that is right hand side. Prove. Now in this case I have discussed all regarding the trigonometric functions, right? What is the domain, what is the range, and how to apply these things. You know, sin of inverse x plus cos of inverse x equal to pi by 2. Tan of inverse x plus cot of inverse x equal to pi by 2. Sec of inverse x plus cosec of inverse x equal to pi by 2. You should be very much familiar before all these things. Before starting, you should be very, very careful regarding this table. If table is not known, means your answer probability you can go wrong, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, set a subscribe. Please like and subscribe to and press bell icon to receive updates on conceptual videos on through illustration. Thank you. धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.